Hi! Today I want to show you how to animate a character using text or audio file. You can make it sing just with few click and all these for free. Let's get started.
So, as you can see, my introduction was done with AI. What I have done is I used the audio file to animate a static image. Similar thing, I've done it before. I've posted a video and I call it Make Artwork Talk. Basically, I upload a audio file to animate a photo. I will put a link in the description. I've also done a tutorial for that. I have to put text to speech and then load the audio file to Google Colab. It was actually very complicated. But today I'm going to show you with a website called hedra.com. What you need to do is you have to register an account. I have already done that and log in. And simply click on the try beta button. And you will see 3 panels here. So the first one is you have to put text what you want to say. So let's say something like this and select a voice. So let's do a female voice. And here you can generate a character. So let's say an Asian. Try this. Okay. Now let's try to generate a video. Okay, it's done. It didn't take that long.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy today.
Look, it's quite nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy today.
Now I'm going to try the old conversation what I have done with Bach and Mona Lisa. Then afterward we can compare the quality. So to import the audio file, I have to click on this tab. And let me go to my Mona Lisa speech. So I can preview here.
Very well, thanks.
And I need the Mona Lisa image. So I've got a higher resolution this time because the old one only support 256. This one does generate the video in 512 square. So I've got this one. Now let's try that. Okay, it's done. Now I can download it and save it. So let's put it here. Now I'm going to put the videos side by side and you can compare the result with the old video what I have done in 2021.
Very well, thanks. My name is Mona Lisa. Indeed, I'm just an animation of Big Boss 97. I'm over 500 years old. I like your hairs. No, why? Okay.
The last thing I want to show you is it also does the singing. It's quite interesting. So I got the clips of a song, and sorry about that. I sing it myself because I don't want to get the content ID matching, so I modified the song. Then I now need to get the image. So let's create. So it's done. Let's try it. 我很伤心，今天我们永远就变，只有希望在梦中时常能够见到你，玛丽。Yeah, I quite like it. Unfortunately, it only let you create a video of maximum 30 seconds. You can try it out. It's free. And at the end of this video, I'm going to use hedra to do the same Bach and Mona Lisa conversation like the old video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. And now enjoy the video Bach meets Mona Lisa 2024.
How are you, Pip?
Very well, thanks.
Great, I'm Bach. But you can call me Johann. What's your name?
My name is Mona Lisa.
You're so pretty, very unreal.
Indeed, I'm just an animation of Big Boss 97.
Ach so. How old are you?
I'm over 500 years old. I like your hairs.
Thanks, I love it too. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, why?
Wunderbar, let's go and saufen.
Okay.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.